In today's competitive food and beverage industry, keeping up with ever-changing consumer demands, intricate regulations, and rising costs can be a recipe for disaster. But what if there was a way to simplify your operation and achieve excellence? Introducing ebizframe Intelligent ERP, your only recipe for success. Why choose ebizframe Intelligent ERP for your food and beverage business? Manage everything from farm to fork with a single solution. This solution allows you to manage your farm, source materials, create recipes, track inventory, and schedule production efficiently, all in one place. Implement comprehensive quality control measures and leverage robust traceability features to ensure food safety, facilitate recalls if necessary, and streamline adherence to FDA and other regulatory board requirements. Monitor and analyze production costs to identify areas for improvement. Leverage data-driven insights from this analysis to make informed business decisions that enhance profitability. Provide real-time inventory visibility to accurately promise available quantities and capabilities exceeding customer expectations. Manage sales orders, returns, credit picking, packing, and shipping processes for efficient order processing and customer satisfaction. Experience the power of ebizframe, Intelligent ERP in numbers. ebizframe ERP drives $20 billion in annual revenue across the globe in the food and beverage industry. Save $50,000 yearly with ebizframe's inventory management, driving efficiency and profitability at a local level. Embrace the future of food and beverage industry. ebizframe Intelligent ERP empowers your food and beverage business to operate with greater efficiency, ensure food safety, and achieve sustainable growth. Our cutting-edge technologies such as business intelligence, robotic process automation, the Internet of Things, and mobile applications empower you to make smarter decisions, optimize operations, and gain a competitive edge. Say goodbye to inefficiencies and hello to a future of streamlined food and beverages business processes, improved customer satisfaction, and enhanced profitability. Empower your food and beverages business today with ebizframe Intelligent ERP. Visit our website to get started today.